Good day all and welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about quality management in Odoo 40. In an enterprise, you need good quality products to deliver to your customers. So in order to deliver quality products, a number of quality checks must be carried out by the business before completing the production. So the product must undergo different quality checks before going to customers. So at different stages of production, we can set quality checks. So for maintaining these quality checkpoints, we have a quality management module in Odoo 14 manufacturing. So when you install quality management, after that you can see a module here for creating quality checkpoints and managing, that is checking the quality of products. So here we can see this is a quality management overview. Here we can see quality teams. So we can configure quality teams from here. We can change it. Here we can see a main quality team. So we can set an email alias company for this quality team. So this is what you find in our quality overview, and we can see the number of quality alerts for this team and the number of checks in progress. So when you click on this, you can see the number of quality checks in progress. So you can see the status is to do, and you can see the quality team product. If compound, if the lottery serial number is assigned, that also can be viewed here, and we can see the check date, check by person and all. So directly from here we can create quality checks, and we can also see the number of quality alerts from here, and when you click on this you can see all the created quality alerts, and we can define stages for them. So we can add columns. So here we can see there are already 3 stages: new, confirm, action, proposed. So directly from here we can also create quality alerts. So here comes the main part under quality control menu, that is control points. That is, we can create quality control points for. So here we can see it is already by default it is grouped according to main quality team, that is our quality team, and we can see the all the control quality control points created. So this quality control, it is a really important factor. That is why most of the manufacturer would not eliminate this factor from manufacturing process. After all, removing quality controls would dramatically increase the number of defective products that the company then has to rework or scrap. So we can create quality points. We can define the product on which the quality control point should take place, and operation at which it takes place also is defined here. And here we can add the product. Suppose I'm adding table leg, then you can provide operations. So I'm setting operation manufacturing. Then here we can add more operations, like I can add delivery orders. Then you can set a company here. Then we can see control type. So here we have 3 options: all operations, randomly, periodically. So this defines at which frequency quality check should take place. So all operation means all the operations automatically generate quality checks to perform. Then randomly means quality checks only perform on some percentage of the operation. So the percentage need to be defined on the control point. So when you choose randomly, here we can set the control frequency. We can set the frequency of operations. Then here we have periodically. So the quality checks are performed periodically. That is based on a defined period, once a day, once a week. Like when you select periodically, here we can see control frequency. We can define every day or week or month. So I'm setting it as all operation. Then here comes the main part, that is quality control point types. Defines the type of quality control point. Like we can see different options like pass or fail, measure, take a picture, instruction. So take a picture means this control point type asks to take a picture of the product applied in a transfer or when manufacturing it. Then pass of or fail means it requires specify if the products pass or fail a specific criteria. So it can be applied on manufacturing order and also on transfers. So for this kind of type, there is also possible to define a failure message giving instructions to follow in case of failure. Like here, if your quality check is if there is a failure, here we can provide some message or instructions. Then we can also see an option that is measure. So in case of measure, we have to enter a product's measurement during the transfer or manufacturing process. So in case of a manufacturing, we have to enter the product's measurement. So all the products with good measures are automatically accepted. So here we can set a norm for your product's measurement, normal measurement. Setting as 7 centimeter, and then we can set a tolerance threshold also. For this also we can set a message if failure. So like measurement, so for this also we can set a message if failure. Your leg doesn't seem to have the right length, please return to supplier. So here I have given a normal measure that is 7 centimeter. Okay, now then we can add notes. After that, we can save this. So you can see one quality control point is created that we recently created, and we can also provide instruction here. Okay, so this quality check is to check the measure of the product, and quality check can be done on operation that is a delivery order and manufacturing. So product is stable leg. Okay, so quality control points is created, and we can also view the quality checks, number of quality checks from here. So let us create a manufacturing order for table leg. So we can add our product here, table leg. So before that, we have to create a bill of material for our table leg. So here we can add the components. Okay, wood panel, then screw. So I need two quantities. Then here we can add operations for manufacturing this product. So I'm adding an operation cutting, then I'm adding work center assembly line 2, and then here I can set a time duration setting manually 30 minutes, and then after that save this. So one operation is added. Okay, so I want to manufacture this product, then save this. Now let's create the manufacturing order. Table leg. So you can see the work orders are added here. You can see the components here. And here, after confirming the manufacturing order, so we can see here, we can find the option to start processing this. So we can start processing this and can see the status is in progress, and we can just click on this and we can check here. So from here, directly from here, we can mark as done. And here you can find a button to check the quality, and here we can also see the quality check status. So when you click on this quality checks, you can see all the quality checks for this manufacturing order. So you can see one quality check needed, then you can see the status is to do. Okay, so coming back to our order, and from here when you click on this quality check, you can set the measure of our product. So I'm setting 8 centimeter, and we can just click on validate. So then when you click on this call to checks, you can see the status is passed. And we can also find an option to set quality alert. So here, directly from here, we can create a quality alert. We can add title. We can add lot, work center, picking. Then we can add root cause. Root cause can be quality of the parts or work center issue or work operation issue, or it can be other issues. And here we can set description and corrective actions to be done, preventive actions to be done, and some miscellaneous options here. Okay, then after that you can save this quality alert. And we can also set quality alert, like when you go here, click on this. From here in the menu you can see option to send quality alert. So from here also we can send quality alerts. So you can see one quality alert for this manufacturing order, that is for this product. And when you go to our quality module, from here we can see the quality checks. So we can see two quality checks for our product, and we can see the quality alert created. So we can see one quality alert, and we can add columns, that is stages here, and we can move this to one from one stage to other stage. And directly from here also we can create quality alerts. Then we have a reporting section where we can see the quality checks and quality alerts. So when you click on quality checks, you can see all the quality checks as count. Different measures are available, like measure, finished product, sequence number, done quality checks. Then we have different views like graph view, pivot view, Kanban view, and list view. We can also filter this quality checks. So it's already, we can see it is grouped by status, and so we can filter according to quality checks in progress, past quality checks, failed quality checks, check date. According to check date, we can filter this quality checks, and we can also group them according to product, control point, team. Okay. Then we have a reporting on quality alerts. So for this also we have different measures. Oh, sorry, one measure, that is. So for this quality alert, we also have pivot view, Kanban view, list view, and also calendar view. So when I click on one date, we can create this create manufacturing, sorry, quality alert in that date. Okay, so that's how we manage the quality of products. That is how quality of products can be checked in Odoo 14 manufacturing.